ici ni issues very serious na gutire mwana wa guku na wa kuria othe ni ciana cia Kenya. Koguo equality in education is extremely important. Koguo twageria kuga atia ni wega debate no ituike anchored on law na maundu mara mangituma rucio tutikana cokere ndeto ino ti ndeto ya kwaririo in roadsides and funerals and public rallies without any action. Ari amwe mararia actually ni members of parliament. Ko tutigota go solve maundu of such deep magnitude tutangihota kurora ha muthia ni jigwite also andu hihi magicokaniria na andu a northeastern. No juge andu aingi aitwa na guti aria mana kinya kundu kugu gwitwo northeastern maybe is less than 5%. Na rihi mundu ikara Kiambu kana Naikuru kundu kuraga o muthenya kundu kahwa kundu kwi macani kundu kwi bebe na indo ciothe no ariganirwo the conditions some of those places are kugu nwe gatugia tiriri ona gutuika twi blessed aria matari as blessed as us ona ono a Kenya na no muhaka twethe an equation that allows all of us to enjoy Kenya at the same time. Tondu ikaraga ukaigwa no ivururi Ngai urathimaga na njira tofauti wakora nyini nyumwe na irio ciothe no maguta ni monekana turukana na monekana turukana ni ma Kenya yothe. Kindu kingi kingionekana kundu kungi ta ngoli ironekanire Kakamega na no ya Kenya yothe. Koguo bururi-ini witu ithuothe tumenye uria tukuhota ku enjoy the cake ya bururi wothe without being selfish but also without disadvantaging the local communities.
Ni wega muno no Inooro shesheni hakuhe nawe.